So, hello guys, it's me again, RJ23 Ipapo, back to vlogging. Siyempre, I know it's been a long time na hindi ako napag-upload kasi masyadong busy sa maraming bagay-bagay. And, how are you everyone? I hope you're just good and sana okay kayong lahat sa panahon na ito. And ayun, malapit na mag-Christmas. Pero anyways, let's start here. Ayun nga kasi, may mga bali-balita tayo narinig. Yan. It's just rather a bit shocking of all the things that happened now. Kasi, syempre, we have been used to sila yung always na nakikita natin sa television. Oh. And ayun, let's hope for the best. Okay, let's get to the point. When we first learned about Katniel, yun nga parang 10-11 years ago. So, syempre, nasanay na tayo na lagi natin silang napapanood sa screen. And, sabi daw merong nagyayari hindi daw nagkakasundo or hiwalay na daw. Pero, in my point of view, let's not drag them. Tapos syempre, sabi nung iba, si Andrea Brillantes daw, it's not right. It's not right to make it a big issue. Pero it's not bad to talk about it. Kasi syempre, tao naman tayo. May iba't iba tayong opinions, point of views. And okay, let's go straight to the topic. First of all, yung news ba na ito galing from them talaga? Kasi based sa mga nababasa ko online, wala pang confirmation sa both sides. And as long as na-quiet yung both sides, let's give them privacy na lang. Kasi ito, honestly, they are celebrities, they are actors. Lagi lang silang umaking sa screen and sa labas. And hindi natin nakikita kung ano yung totoong nangyari sa buhay nila. Kahit sabihin natin, we always see them outside. Pero in short, they are still people like us na may karapatang magtago ng mga dapat na sa kanila lang. Kasi if we are gonna force ourselves to believe in what we see outside, it is not fair to them. Aside that it's not fair to them, ano kasi nila yun right nila yung preferences nila, kung sino talaga yung gusto nila. Wala akong sinasabi na kung sila ba talaga o kung hiwalay ba sila, anything, etc. etc. So, once we hear yung totoong balita about sa kanila, choice na po nila yun. Kasi ako tatanungin, bakit ba ba't natin pinapakialaman? Pero, alam ko, hindi mag-agree lahat. Pero what I want to point out is, they are actors and actresses, and syempre, I admire them for doing their job very well. And syempre, dito sa industry ng Philippines, talaga sila yung lagi nag-i-stand out. Kaya gusto nating mga fans na lagi silang magkakasama. Pero kung sa likod, hindi, ako tatanungin, wala na tayo magagawa doon. Kasi, it is their choice. We shouldn't combine what we want into what they should do. Kasi sabihin man natin, we are free to decide on everything we want to decide. But we cannot dictate others' emotions, others' preferences.